Alright, so pretty much all the vinyl is done cutting for today for this one sweater that I'm doing. Again, today we're using regular HTV, not glitter like last week. And I would recommend always keeping white and black in stock. Mainly white though, or at least for me because I work in black, hence black label. So pretty much today the sweater hoodie that I am using is by Bella Canvas. And personally, I love Bella Canvas just because of their quality and for their zip up hoodies that I use a lot, their pullover hoodies that I'm going to show you, and their joggers that I've used again on my channel is something that I do wear on a daily basis. And even through washes, they stay soft. Like you can just live in these things. And another question in regard that I did get also is like the longevity and like wash cycles. So with HTV that I've done, even like my own shirts, joggers, everything else, I do wash in cold, and I do actually throw them in the dryer, and I believe the heat cycle is just normal. And I've had a lot of shirts that I made for myself for Black Label that I've actually had for years. I've actually also had my friends and clients that come back and say like, hey, everything still holds up very well. Obviously longevity you would want to hang dry, but again, I like to test things out myself, and I've thrown everything in the wash and in the dryer, and they still hold up till this day. I actually do have shirts from like 4 or 5 years ago. Nothing cracked, nothing is missing, like everything still holds up very well. So the other thing too, I don't know if I already mentioned, is wash everything inside out, dry it inside out, and you'll be fine. And so I hope that helps you guys out. And so without more talking, let's get to the video.